What is the real meaning of cheese dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of cheese dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If someone sees cheese in a dream, then this dream is considered very auspicious and indicates an upcoming good time in which you will make huge progress in every aspect of life, especially in the field of earning money in real life. Now number 2. If someone sees eating cheese in a dream, then it indicates success in any work, project or planning very easily. As well as this dream also suggests that all kinds of life problems are going to vanish soon. And due to this you will get the desired results very easily in the coming future. Now number 3. If someone sees making cheese in a dream, then this dream indicates success in that work which you have worked hard in the past, because this is the right time to get the fruits of your past hard work and dedication soon. Now number 4. If someone sees buying cheese in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates progress in business, job, etc. with monetary gain in real life. Now number 5. If someone sees making or eating any kind of cheese dish in a dream, then it indicates the beginning of any new work soon that will give you tremendous success with desired results in the coming future. Now number 6. If someone sees cheese slices in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates any kind of small but important success in the upcoming time that will change you and your life completely in positive ways. Now number 7. If someone sees cutting cheese in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to avoid any kind of argument as well as starting any new work or big investment, because this is not the right time to start something new. Only then you can avoid any kind of loss in real life. Now number 8. If someone sees or eats rotten or stale cheese in a dream, then it indicates that you have made any kind of wrong decision in life that demands your attention and needs some corrections as soon as possible. Only then you can avoid any kind of problems in real life. But sometimes this dream also suggests to focus on your health to avoid any kind of health related problems in real life. Now number 9. If someone sees selling cheese in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon with big monetary gain in real life.